Well, you can hear this motor running. You can see that it's running. The VST was bad, but after replacing the VST, she still wasn't getting fuel. How do you check the fuel pressure? I've got just a tire gauge. You stick your tire gauge up on. Let's see. I'm gonna watch the tire. 40 psi. That's exactly where it's supposed to be. The old pump, of course. It still wouldn't start. Well, so I bypassed the fuel, and what I found out was this connection here was loose. So I pulled it out, pushed all the pins towards the port side, stuck it back in, and it fired right up. So don't give up on these motors. Check your just check your pins here. Most people replace these ECUs.